Here at Classic Improvement Products, we have lots of exterior shutter options. We have different types of materials, whether they be fiberglass, metal. These right here that you see are composite, and we also have vinyl and cast stone. So one neat thing about them is also the designs are customizable. This type that you see here is a raised panel design, and they are custom made to fit the height of your window, and then also you can customize the width as well. And we do have hardware options too that you can add to your shutters for either actual function or just decorative appearance. Another great feature of our exterior shutters is color options. Depending on what material you pick, also determines on what colors are available. Some types of shutters have about 20 different options, while others have options that are well into the thousands of different shades of colors. So you're bound to find a color that works with your home.